at Iyanomo community. This is at Ikpobahoka local government. The internet was flooded with gruesome murder of 2 young men, and that prompted our move here. We discovered that it was true that 2 persons were murdered. But our research and from public interview conducted, we discovered that it was a suspected murder that took place here. And upon more intense investigation, we discovered that there's a power tussle between 2 factional leadership in this community, which of course we have frowned at. We have gathered all the heads, we have told them that this thing should not repeat itself, and if they want to do their power tussle, they should do it legally and with rule of law. Investigation is still going on, and they are particularly inside the matter. We want to use this opportunity to sympathize with the family of the lost ones and also pass a very stern warning to the leadership tussles of both sides to stay clear of murder, killings, or any other action that is likely to bring unrest to this community, because the eyes of Special Security Squad Edo State is watching, and anybody found wanting, you are going under the iron.